Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the M sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The M sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word mẹ, or at the end of the word, like cam. Now let's see how to pronounce the M sound. First, your tongue will typically be positioned for the vowel that comes next. Now let's talk about the airstream. Block the airflow with the lips and direct it through the nose. Close your mouth by bringing your lips together. Tension your lips. The last thing you have to remember about the M sound, that it is a voice sound. So you have to add voice by vibrating your vocal cords like M, 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 mẹ, cam. Now let's try to say some words with the M sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you will have few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. First, the M at the beginning of the word. Ma, me, mi, mắt, mặt, mũi, mưa, mua, mong, mạnh, mười, miến, miếu, mượn, miệng, mương. Now the M sound at the end of word. Ấm, im, cam, cơm, cấm, kim, tiêm, trộm, kiếm, hiếm, mặt, mũi, mãi mãi, mỉa mai, minh mẫn, mỏng manh, mồm miệng. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the M sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Mơ, mong, muốn, mãi, mãi, bên, mạnh. Now a little bit faster. Mơ, mong muốn, mãi mãi, bên mạnh. Now with normal speed. Mơ mong muốn mãi mãi bên mạnh. Mẹ, ăn, 10, múi, cam. Now a little bit faster. Mẹ, ăn, 10, múi, cam. Now with normal speed. Mẹ ăn 10 múi cam. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.